Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Soundcore A3i Earbuds, and in this video I am going to show you how to hard reset these earbuds. So let's start. So in the first step you have to put these earbuds inside the charging case. So I will put these earbuds in the charging case and you have to leave the case open. Now in the second step you have to turn on your phone Bluetooth settings. So I will just scroll down and here you see this Bluetooth icon. I will press and hold it. Then it will open the Bluetooth menu and here you can see the Soundcore A3i is connected. So here you see this setting icon. Just select it. Once you select it, here it will give you more information about these earbuds, and here at the bottom you see this option of unpair. Okay, just select this unpair option and there it will ask you if you want to unpair Soundcore A3i. So I just select this unpair. Now this Soundcore A3i is disconnected from our phone. So now what we have to do, the next thing is we have to close our charging case. Okay, so I will close our charging case and then you have to open it again. Okay, and the next thing is at the bottom we have this pairing button. You have to press and hold this pairing button for 10 seconds. Okay, so I will just press and hold this button for 10 seconds and you have to keep your case open. So after 10 seconds you will see this light will turn into red color and it will blink 3 times. Okay, so I will show you. So here you can see it turn into red and it blink 3 times and then it will start blinking normally, and then you can leave this button. So this means our earbuds are now completely hard reset. So now you can connect it with a new device, or if you want you can connect it with the same device. So let's say I want to connect it with this device. So I will just turn on my phone Bluetooth settings. So I will just press and hold it. So here it will start scanning and here you can see it is showing the Soundcore A3i in the available devices. So simply I will just select it and then it will ask me if I want to pair. So here you can see I just select this pair option and then it will start making a connection. So here you can see the Soundcore A3i is now connected with my phone. So this is how you can hard reset your Soundcore A3i earbuds. So this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.